Captain, of Hydel, Ronaldo Barrett. First of all, Chapo, how you feeling after this performance?
Well, I can't say we're disappointed because we got a point and we're grateful for it.
All right, so you guys came out and you played a good game. Do you think this was Hydel's best game of the season?
No, it wasn't our best. We started off slow and we kind of catch our rhythm, but it wasn't our best.
George is one of the favorites in this year's Manning Cup. Coming in, everybody would have touted them to win this game. What were your guys' mentality coming into today's game?
Well, our mentality was always the same. We came here for the win, but we didn't get that. We get a draw, and we're happy for it.
And your performance today, in the middle of the park, evaluate your performance today. Was it one of your better games?
No, it wasn't one of my better games.
And what do you think you could have improved upon?
A lot more. Like I could get on the ball more to create more chances for my team.
Going forward for Hydel, you guys have one more game. You guys just need a draw to secure a semi-final berth. What is the mentality and what is the vibe in the camp going into that next game?
Well, just head back to camp and then go to training and come again for the next match. Just stay focused.
All right, Captain.
All right, thank you.